Go ahead and get some wood processed. I've actually got a new camera mount I'm going to take you along with. It's a magnetic mount that's sitting right on the top of the grapple of the tractor, so should be interesting to see the wood getting scooped up and thrown on here. Let's do it. Alright, so this is the winch remote here. Just hit that button. There she goes. I don't know if you guys saw this. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I gotta get that off. So we got some wood on the conveyor here. Next stop is the wood splitter. I burned myself pretty good on the muffler on the chainsaw. Idiot. I was gonna take that off and I should have just waited till it cooled. So, nice. That is a damn good burn. Hey boys. I'm Mr. Boogie. Hey Mr. Look at your chicks. There's the girls. Look at you two.